So the big triple, we got it sawed up into 76, 77 inch slabs by 3 inches thick. They're awesome. The next video that I'm coming out with is how I'm sticking it. I got a few tricks that I've learned from other people like Steve Cross at his sawmill and different people that I work with, because these sticks will be in between there for like a year, 2, 3 years, and you want to make sure that it doesn't streak the wood. You want to make it just as pristine when it comes off as when it went on. So anyway, so we'll be sticking it next time. The trick about this triple is it's so big that you can't get it off with a forklift. You can get it off with 2 forklifts, but then you're where you're going to be. So what I did is, after I had it sawed up, I took it to a mill and we got 2 forklifts and we lifted the lumber up. I pulled out from under it and we sat it down. I'll go back next week and I'm going to get it on sticks, and we're going to use real good Deadhead sticks so that everything will go good with the drying, and it'll be out in the open air. I won't even cover it up for probably the first year. It'll just be out there because it needs to catch a lot of wind. This has been a real wild project, but I got to get back to normal size logs. So we'll see you next week. Old River Sawmill. If you need anything, V-joint, flooring, come see me. Give me a ring. I'm at Steve Cross's sawmill and we're fixing to saw this up into tabletops. I thought I was going to have to drop it off and come back a different day and get it, but Steve's game for sawing it now, so we're only going to have to make about maybe 6 or 8 passes through it, make them 3 inches thick. So it needs to go in an epic log home is what it needs. I mean epic. This is an epic log. We're unloading the log. It's a process.
I'm Steve Cross. We up at Cross Sawmill and Lumber Company in Iron City, Georgia. This is a log that Mr. Flournoy, Jim Flournoy, brought up. It's, what'd you say, Jim, 78 inches?
Yeah,
inches?
78 inches on the small end, and it's a little wider on the small end than it is on the big end. And Steve's gonna turn it into tabletops for me.
Hey, we hope. We're gonna give it a try. So
if he can't do it, nobody can.
Okay, but this is a double trunk crotch wood. In general, the double trunks will have some magnificent grains. So we're gonna run it up the flagpole and see who all salutes.
This is gonna be awesome. It's a big log. You got to boom it in real close to him so he doesn't tump over. Little slippage going on, it's okay. Just settling. Almost, about another foot. Maybe two. underneath there's orange. The air's making it turn. It's gonna be a blue boy.